Roosevelt traffic, now it's Kilo, back to acting 318, excuse me, Roosevelt. Alrighty guys, what is up? Today we are going to be flying to Blairsville, Georgia, which is north of Hartsfield, Jackson, Atlanta. So my plan is we're going to be trying to go over Hartsfield and fly by Atlanta. It's going to be about an hour and 45-minute flight, so that's going to be fun. So yeah, we're going to go ahead down there. We're all ready to go. Radios, everything is set. We just did a quick run up. We got some glider people, so we're going to try to slow down here. Don't need to be going 50 down the runway. So, like I said, we're going to...
traffic, here's Medevac Helicon 43 Alpha. We are 3 to the west of the field, 2000, transition northeastbound. What's up?
West of the field, so gotta keep an eye out for him. In we are. So this should be a fun flight. We get to see over Atlanta. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to cruise. We're going northeast. Therefore, we're going to be going 5,500, and we might climb higher if we need to, depending on the, what do you call it? Wind and such. So that'll be good. Roosevelt traffic now. It's Kilo, departing runway 18, Roosevelt. I have a little bit of a right crosswind. Yep. Definitely feel it. 60, 65. But we got a decent headwind. So we got it really quick. So we're going to crab into the wind here. Let this wind pick us up. And it is definitely picking us up. Woo-wee.
Kilo, Hotel Kilo, have a good day. We'll have 4 or 5 gliders around the area this afternoon.
That's fine, I'm not coming back till later tonight. You guys have a good day as well.
Hey, have fun.
Roosevelt traffic now, it's Kilo, departing the pattern to the north, Roosevelt. And approach 119.8.
McCollum, understand you're looking for a single ILS into Peachtree and then an ILS back into McCollum, correct?
Atlanta approach 9er Hotel Kilo with request.
November 9er Hotel Kilo, say request.
Yes sir, we are about 3 nautical miles north of 5 Alpha 9. We're like flight following to Delta Zulu Juliet, I believe. Yes, and we're at 2,800 climbing for 5,500.
November 9er Hotel Kilo, you were stepped on. I didn't get most of that. Where is 5 Alpha, you said you departed 5 Alpha 9, where's that?
South of Noonan Coweta, we're heading north.
November 555 Hotel Kilo, squawk 0145 for now. We'll get you some flight following started.
0145. 0145 9er Hotel Kilo.
RV 8 Echo Charlie, flighting 090. November 555 Hotel Kilo, radar contact now 3 miles north of the 5 Alpha 9 airport. Your altitude indicates 3,000, Atlanta altimeter 3007. Please say again your destination, and you are serious, correct?
It's going to be November 9er Hotel Kilo. Destination is Delta Zulu Juliet, and we're climbing through 3,300 now.
Turn 1619er Whiskey, IDEN. Turn 1619er Whiskey, radar contact 2 miles southwest of the Jasper Airport. Advise ATIS information Charlie at Fulton County. Expect a visual approach runway 26.
Oh my gosh, I wish it would level, smooth out when we get up
November
here.
19er Whiskey, I have your request.
Little bumpy today, guys. Little bumpy. But it's clear out, so that's always nice. We should have a good view ahead of us.
534 Alpha from the ground at Falcon Field. Looking to pick up IFR.
November 999 Hotel Kilo, you'll be cleared through the Atlanta Bravo airspace via radar vectors. Fly your present heading for now. Maintain VFR 4500.
Oh. Alright, we're fly your present heading and maintain 4500, 902 Kilo. Alright, so he wants us to maintain 4,500, so we're going to go ahead and...
November 9 Hotel Kilo, correction, climb and maintain VFR 5,500.
5,500, 902 Kilo. That's what I thought he meant. And we have to maintain present heading 030. So this is going to be the first time I'm flying through a Class Bravo, so I'm probably not going to do very much.
10 Papa start.
Handheld.
3910 Papa, roger.
Because it's really bumpy. And I have to
1619
make sure I can keep everything on the plane. So you're going to have to stick with the GoPros for now. If it clears out, then we'll go from there.
November 9 Hotel Kilo, turn 10 degrees right.
10 degrees right, 902 Kilo. Alright, so we're going to be turning, we were at 250, or 025, we're going to be heading to
40 flighting 210, have
35035. Ground speed, we're going 110 knots for our ground speed. Wow, weird. Okay.
November 534 Alpha, roger, turn right, heading 270, due westbound, and the traffic will pass off your left, currently at your 1 o'clock and 3 miles. 27034 Alpha.
Alright, I think it smooths out finally. Holy cow.
November 9 Hotel Kilo, fly heading 360.
360, 902 Kilo. We're about doing
Baron 19er Whiskey, contact Fulton County Tower, 118.45.
Start heading 3037. That's what I thought.
Hotel Kilo, confirm your type was Cirrus. I know I asked you that already. I missed your response.
Negative PA22.
PA22, got it.
Alrighty guys, there's nothing much going on, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the GoPro so we can save some battery for the trip back, because I'm not spending the night, I'm just going to sea, so in a minute I'll see you guys later. Alrighty guys, we are back. We are about maybe 12 minutes away from the airport. We had to climb up a little bit, it didn't do anything. We made it through Atlanta. You saw some of those very bumpy cinematic shots. But we're out towards the North Georgia mountains right now. So I already got the runway we're going to be using. We're going to be using 28. It's going to be left traffic and stuff like that. We're at about 5,850. So we're going to be well over these mountains over here. I can tell because I can see it and it says it on the map. Oop, that fell. So, we're going to go ahead and continue on and hopefully get in here relatively soon. That would be good. What I'm going to probably do is fly over the runway and then we're going to circle down. I don't want to deal with trying to maneuver through these mountains, so we're just going to go over the airport and circle right down to the bottom. I think that'll be the best plan.
Blairsville Airport. Automatic weather observation. 1824 Zulu. Weather, wind 19er. 0 at 11. Gusts 17. Visibility 105,500. Scattered. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 7. Altimeter 3001. Density altitude 3000. Blairsville Airport. Automatic weather observation. 1824 Zulu. Weather, wind 200 at 11. Gusts 17.
Airport inbound landing runway 17.
Blairsville traffic, nautical kilo is 8 nautical miles south, inbound to land runway 27, Blairsville.
827 Zulu. Weather, wind 210 at 9er. Gusts 17. Visibility.
Calhoun traffic, champion 51 Bravo, turning final 17 Calhoun.
Alright, we got the airport in sight.
Calhoun traffic 710 Papa.
We're going to go ahead and start descending.
Re-entering and left downwind for order.
Go ahead and start descending now. We're going to clear these mountains because it's like a flat area. It's weird to see. You can't really see because I'm keeping this thing cool, but I'm trying to make it so that way you guys can see.
See the town traffic, caravan departing traffic area to the south.
Calhoun traffic 710 Papa.
We're at 5,000 feet.
Runway 17 Calhoun.
And we are about maybe 500 to 800 feet above these mountains. That's crazy. And it gets worse over there. Good thing we're not going over there. Whew. That outside camera is going to get a good shot, that's for sure. Alright, about 4,600.
Papa is on final. Runway 17 Calhoun.
Now we should be getting the downdraft. Yep, sending 1,000 feet a minute, about 1,300 feet a minute now. We're clear that way. Alright, so we're nothing else below us. There was a downdraft, as I thought. Some stuff you actually use on the private pilot written. So that's good. Blairsville traffic, nautical kilo 3 nautical miles south, going to be entering left downwind runway 27, full stop, Blairsville.
Coach up Aerostar 509 is 6 to the east inbound for 21.
1, visibility 105,500, scattered. Temperature 21 Celsius, dew point 7, altimeter 3001, density altitude 3000, lightning, distant northwest. Blairsville Airport. Automatic weather observation. 1831 Zulu. Weather, wind 200 at 1.
Blairsville traffic, nautical kilo is left downwind runway 26, Blairsville. Alright, let's go and slow down now. Not sure which side is which. Honestly, I really don't know. There's two different sides. I'll watch our speed here. I'm gonna just do a no flap landing.
Torch up here, star 5 joining me. Step downwind, 2-1 control.
Pleasure traffic now to Kilo, right base or left base runway 26 for the Pleasure. Alright, we gotta watch this. Blairsville traffic now to Kilo, final runway 26, full stop Blairsville. Whew. That was a workout, guys, that was a workout. Well, this is ramp, but we're gonna assume it's over here. Guys, that's gonna do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of this series, going up to Blairsville, Georgia, and flying over the Class Bravo. It was an interesting flight. The crosswind was about 10 or 11 when I landed, and the max crosswind for the Tri-Pacer is 15. So we were definitely at the limits, but it was fine to handle it good. On the way back is another beautiful, beautiful flight over the city lights, so we're sticking around for part 2, and until next time.
Come on!